This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, September 13th, 2018. This one here I got a call for, go do a burner service. I've worked in this guy's house before. It's been a couple of years since I've been there. We'll try to get some shots.
State Road.
Well, it's been a couple of years since I've been here. We'll check the, we'll probably change the nozzle, we'll check the oil flow. See what the oil flow looks like. He's got two tanks over there. Two filters. They might still be okay. I'll check the flow I'm getting out of here before I change the filters usually. And we'll run it and we'll check the draft. See if it needs to be brushed down. Last time I was here I did clean it.
Yep.
Oh, so
yeah, it's the biggest thing. Be a huge conflict. I mean, it's still possible, but it would have to be.
how many full timers they got? 5 or 6?
We have 9.
Wow, really?
And it's not enough.
No shit.
But we have 8 staff, and then Corey, the captain, he works. Yeah.
How come?
I forgot.
Yeah, you forgot. I seen the tag, so no, it wasn't done. It might be
I
alright.
thought about it in the spring. I'm like, oh man, I never had that done last year.
Definitely doing no nozzle on it. It's all good. We'll take care of it.
What's done with you? Anything?
Yeah, same old stuff. Just working, you know. Doing my thing. How's the new station? I mean, it's quite the complex there now, huh?
Yeah, it's, so far so good. Should serve us well for another, 20, 30 years, I would hope.
So now, you're full-time over there now? Mm-hmm. That's working out okay?
Yeah, we're going through the process of getting back, but for the most part, everything's going well.
Yeah, because before it used to be all volunteer, basically. Right?
Yeah, I'll call, yeah.
Call it. Cane season now, so it should be,
Miss us.
What is it?
Hopefully they'll all miss us.
Yeah. They're getting it down south, it looks like. Let them have it. Man, a ton of turkeys in the yard there. I was like, a couple came in. It's like, wow. So every day they come?
Every day.
No kidding.
Most I ever had, I think at one time, I counted over 35.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Now they jumping on your cars?
No, they haven't. Well, we have the garage, so.
Yeah, because I talked to some people, and one lady was complaining about they were jumping on her car, looking at themselves, and scratched the shit out of the car.
Yeah, they tuck it with the beak and scratch it, and
Yeah.
A friend of mine's got a trailer he parks outside a work trailer, and they did a number on that.
Really?
Yeah.
So I guess that is true then.
Yep.
Getting a good oil flow so we don't have to change the filters.
And those haven't been changed in probably 3-4 years.
Oh, we're getting a good oil flow.
Yeah, okay.
I mean,
Well, if you're comfortable with it, then.
yeah, if it was wimpy, I would do it.
Yeah.
They got this new oil now. It's sulfur, low sulfur oil.
Yep.
Save your money when you buy your next car. You're gonna need it. Right?
I ain't kidding. It's getting out of hand.
She's choked up. Gonna have to clean it. Probably all full of sediment and stuff. Take it apart and check it. Yeah, so I'll clean it and brush it, vacuum it and brush it down. I brushed it all down good. I get it off at the tank. Couple of years since it's been done. It's a little crusty. Like I said, I was getting a good oil flow, so these filters are still fine. If I get a wimpy flow of oil, I'll change the filters. There's 2 tanks here. I'm getting a little on oil. We'll run it for a bit, and then we'll check the draft over the fire. We'll get a little bit of heat in the chimney. So it goes right up to the house here. All fuel. take it apart and brush it down good. I mean, there wasn't a lot in there, but brush and vacuum. Brush, vacuum, clean. Firebox, new nozzle, and combustion test. So it should be ready to go for another year. A little crusty.